I'm not your textbook guy with blonde hair and blue eyes. I'm just a meat eater, wanna be a soul singer, mortified.
Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel and to Grand Adventures Season 2. Wow, welcome to day 4, I think. Yes, it's day 4. Today's plan is very simple with a few reservations planned for us today. First off, we have the escape room in just about 2 hours. We have laser tag at 1. And then we have a few shows and some activities in the team club. So, a lot of exciting things happening today.
But I'm into your smile, and I don't need nothing else. But I think that I'm going to hell. I don't see you around enough in my life. 'Cause I don't know what it is about my mind.
So windy, guys. I feel like I'm gonna fall off the ship if I like jumped or something. It is so windy today, but very hot too. I am hiding inside the telephone box because it is. Look how windy it is. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm enjoying the Grand Adventures so far. I really missed the series, and I'm glad it's. Oh my god. You guys see that outside? Oh guys, it really is that windy. I'm probably just gonna go into the solarium and take a little walk. Yeah guys, it is for sure less windy in here because it's kind of enclosed. Alrighty guys, it is time for the escape room.
Once you are inside, there's no way back. Let me tell you that.
This is the place for the TV. Do not pull it out. Don't pull it out. But not the camera, of course. Okay? Here we go.
All of our foods on one table and all of our used foods in a different. Okay guys, I kid you not, this is the single frame I have of our group doing the escape room because the time lapse corrupted. Alright, so here's us solving it.
You're gonna open the box. It's up to you. You wanna think about it, you wanna open the doors, or you wanna leave.
Let's open it.
Guys, think about this first.
We thought about it. We thought about it.
Oh, let's do it again.
And you're the winner!
Let's go! Yeah! Wow, we did it. We did it fast. Yeah, we did it fast. Yeah. Alright everyone, just like that, we have solved the escape room, guys. We did it. We're the second team ever on the cruise ship to solve the escape room. That's crazy. And we did it under 30 minutes. That's pretty good. Thank you so much. Thank you. That was really fun. Thank you. Wow. Wow. That was crazy, everybody. Man, I have met so many people on this cruise that have told me that they have tried the escape room and it's the hardest thing they've done in their lives. And we're only the second group ever to do on the cruise ship, and it's already day 4. That is actually unbelievable to me. That is crazy. Alrighty everyone, right now there is a parade that we're gonna go catch. It is on the 5th floor, so let's go do that right now.
Ahoy, mateys! All you land lovers need the shimmy to one side of the promenade or the other.
Alright everyone, just like that, the parade is over. Next up, we have laser tag. So I'm really excited for that. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna get for lunch right now. I did just come from floor 5. I might grab something at the Windjammer, and then, yeah. Alright, let's go do that, guy. Thank you. Alrighty guys, we are back from the Windjammer and my ice cream's already melting and I have not even started eating. Alright everyone, it's time for laser tag. Good job, yeah, let's go. Alrighty guys, I came in second, that was pretty good. Guys, that was seriously intensely fun and I'm so glad that I have 2 more reservations. Alrighty everyone, today we're eating dinner here in the Wonderland restaurant aboard the Wonder of the Seas. We literally had to paint our menu to see the menu, which is really cool.
Welcome to Wonderland. As you know, Wonderland is imaginative cuisine inspired by Alice in Wonderland movie. So what revealed in this menu is what we call the elements of modern natures. Okay, so basically we have 6 elements. Those 5 elements are inside this magical menu, and the top 3, the sun, ice, and the fire, those are the elements of your starters, your appetizer.
This is seriously so cool. There's beautiful chandeliers. Look at our forks. They're so whimsical.
Will disappear, and voila.
Alright guys, our first drink is the Cheshire Cat Cosmos. They put cotton candy and they poured some sort of drink in there. We're gonna try it right now. Some sort of soda. Yeah, really nice.
I have the lobster. Tease them around with it. Now this one in the middle, it looks like olive, the dark green and the light color.
Alrighty guys, right here we have the liquid truffle mushroom risotto. It is some risotto that you have to eat in 1 bite. So I'm gonna do that right now.
So you like the taste?
Alright guys, next up we have liquid lobster, which has caviar and bone marrow. Let's try it. Wow, that's really interesting. Wow. The lobster, you can really taste it, and the caviar makes it really good. Alright guys, next up here we have the Mad Hatter's purple potted shrimp. And we're gonna dip it inside to get the flavor.
First time ever.
Oh wow.
Guys, that was seriously so good. Oh my god. Wow. I think that was the best thing I had so far.
Alright everyone, next up we have the bird's nest, which this is the one that had the smoke, it has blue cheese, and it has sriracha. I am going to, I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. This one's very interesting with the egg yolk, which is not actually egg yolk. It's for sure not egg yolk. The smoke is really there, and it's really nice. Alrighty guys, right here we have the crispy crab cones. They look very nice. They told us if we like spice, we can start eating from the bottom. That's what I'm gonna do, and work your way up. Guys, that crab cone was seriously amazing. Like, that wasabi hit was really good, and the way they paired it with the crab, absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, next up we have vegetable in the garden, guys. This is very cool. All of these little things that you see here are molecularly reconstructed. Alright, let's go. Oh my god. Wow. That tomato is really intense. It's very sweet. It's very sweet.
Nowhere. The Red Queen of Hearts, might chop my head off.
Alright guys, next up here we have the citrus seeds. That's how you say it, not lying. So here we have this thing. I think we just scoop it up.
The Mad Hatter, nice to meet you.
Oh,
God bless you.
wow, that's very citrusy. That was very interesting. Wow. Alright guys, this is our palate cleanser after that insane meal. So there you go. Alright guys, this is our main course. This is the rib eye luscious short rib. We're gonna dig in right here. Alrighty. Oh my god, that is wonderful. We'll take some of this.
So what inside this world is basically we call the salted caramel ice cream.
Alright guys, we're moving on to desserts. Right now we have the Whirl. It is peanut butter ganache with Rohora chocolate mousse, salted caramel, and caramel ice cream. This looks very delicious. Let's dig in. Let's go. Oh my god. This is so good. Alrighty guys, that is the end of our Wonderland dinner experience. Wow, that was really good dinner. The way that they implemented the bite-sized food was really good and interesting, and it kind of stretched out the appetizers. So yeah, very good dinner. I rate it 10 out of 10. So yeah everyone, we had great fun today. Did so many things on this sea day. We did the escape room, did various things around the ship, and of course our Wonderland dinner experience. Tomorrow we have amazing things planned for you guys, so I can't wait. And until next time, see ya. Goodbye. I'm so mad right now. I just found out that the freaking escape room video got corrupted.